Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Mara, and similarly to the Riot Platforms chart, we do have a downtrend going on here, but unlike that chart, we did in this case break above the expected resistance levels, and let's even showcase that. And wave to yellow. So we broke above the 78.6% retracement area only briefly, so yeah, the risk is still there, but additionally we could even count this wave one up in an impulse, because I could assume that this is just an unusually long fifth wave, and instead of having an ABC in this move to the upside, I could count it as a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, and the fifth wave to complete the wave 1 in an impulse. Now, it is a bit unusual to have the fifth wave this long and have these proportions. It's not the best looking, but they do happen from time to time, and they are technically valid. But yeah, even considering the wave 1 as an ABC, it doesn't matter too much. We are still tracking the same movement for quite some time now, only after we would complete the next move to the upside, which if it's just an ABC, it would be a wave C here. Then we would need to see a 5-wave move, and then we can debate if we can find support and push higher in the third wave of the third wave, or if we only completed a large ABC and we are going directly lower. But yeah, for now we have this support zone that we reached in this wave 2, where we possibly even bottomed, and there is the alternative that we are in the yellow scenario here in the shorter time frame, where we may still reset the wave 2 and push lower into the white support zone that extends down to $1.15. But at the moment we can still track direct upside. We do have a couple of ways that we can even interpret this movement to the upside that I would expect to be in 5 waves at the moment. And yeah, one of them is having this as a diagonal. In both of them would be a diagonal pattern, but it would be an A, B, C in wave 1, and then we would have the wave 2 possibly have completed here. We could still reset it lower. That's also another possibility. But we could also go directly higher in the third wave, and then I would expect a larger ABC to complete the third wave. Next up, it could also be that this wave 1 completed here instead, still in a diagonal, and then the wave 2 bottomed here, and then we would have A, B, C, where I would only expect a 5-wave move to complete this third wave to the upside. Now, looking here at the shorter time frame, it is not the best looking movement to the upside. I could count this as a 1-2, 1-2, and it would still be valid. But I could also count this as a wave 1 up in the beginning of a diagonal pattern in an ABC, and then we would be looking for a wave 2 in the white support zone between $15.9 down to around $11.6. But there is also the risk that maybe we have started the C wave to the downside discussed earlier, and then we could have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and then here A, B, C that would complete the third wave to the downside. And an ideal target for this third wave, and let me even add this idea to the chart before I complete it in yellow and smaller. And yeah, the ideal target for this third wave would be around $8.12. And then yeah, we could even expect to go lower in the fifth wave, and it could, believe me, it could extend even further and push below the A wave low in this area. But at the moment these are the levels we are tracking, and I will remove some of them from the chart. Okay, maybe leave the 100% here. No, the 100% is actually below the bottom of the wave A. That's not needed. So these would be the levels we can look for a third wave in yellow, but for now we can track the white scenario where we either completed a wave 1 up and then have the wave 2 down, or maybe even a larger A, B, C, or even a 1 2 1 2, but this 1 2 1 2 setup would be invalidated with a break below this low at around $13.50. But yeah, at the moment these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. Until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.